Morning day. Yeah. Hey, Bobby. Good morning, Bobby. Hello. Good girl. Nadagang nangisda lagi dito. Puro. Nadagang no? Dagang isda ron? Gusa. Tuna na no? Tuna? Deliver? What happened to you? Huh? What's the matter? You're so cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Leah and I am on top of the roof with Brian. Sad to say, our worker that we hired didn't turn up, and Brian tried to call and none of them answered their phone. They didn't send us a message, are they coming or not. But anyway guys, things happen and we have to do the job ourselves. If you haven't seen my previous vlog, Brian injured his hand on the first day of the renovation, which is the demolition of the roof, and he landed up in Zamboanguita clinic and have his hand stitched up. So there we are. What are you doing? We gotta do welding. We gotta do it ourselves.
Why?
The welder is not coming. I don't know why. No one knows. I know how to weld. Papa knows how to weld. So, but there's someone coming tomorrow.
Good.
So while we're waiting, we will do some work. We will do the welding, some of the welding, till he comes tomorrow. And you guys, we have to do the job ourselves, and I have to actually experience, doing some welding myself. I did have some experience when I was growing up back in Mindanao, and you won't believe I actually burnt my forehead because it wasn't covered. I didn't notice it was exposed to the spark and burnt my forehead. Can I drop this one? It did now go down?
Laka, mahulog ka. Ambak rama. Unggoy oh. Kulagait. Char, kaya ra. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Sadie. We're putting the cover on because we're not finished yet doing the welding, and there's rain coming, and
What about the other half?
that's okay because there's only tiles in there. I mean, there's no furniture, there's no bedroom.
Is that waterproof?
Sorry?
The top?
Hopefully.
To test it out first.
It looks like it needs pulling this side, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that's okay. Maybe I should put a nail this side here. I mean, even just one nail.
Do you have a nail?
This one here.
Naka-nail?
I got one.
You can just climb. No, you don't need to take that. You just climb up on Papa's kuan. Papa's ladder.
I'm just going here. Yeah?
Sure, kana all.
I only got the small ladder. Okay, lucky pa. See. And I got one nail.
Wow, Papa's balancing. Look.
Huh?
Papa's balancing.
Yeah, I know. It's so good.
Shimmy, shimmy.
He's very good. He's a carpenter. Can be very clumsy sometimes. Very clumsy.
So are these okay to get wet or no?
Well, we have no choice. So if you look in here, so we cover this side here because the cabinet, this is the
There's
cabinet
a hole,
here.
look.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay ra ba na? Yung mabasa.
Uh-huh. So the next day, we finally have new worker came to work. One of them is a welder, and he actually studied welding training. He did a training in TESDA, and these are the steel bars we purchased in Mayabon, crossing Mayabon in Zamboanguita. There's a hardware shop there, new one. And of course, yesterday we managed to put some steel bars, few around. So I was welding all day, and you won't believe I actually burnt my forehead because it wasn't covered. I didn't notice it was exposed to the spark and burnt my forehead. So this is the insulation we bought. It's double-sided. It's a little bit dearer than the single one, just one-sided. So there we are. That's the collar band we purchased in Dumaguete City. It's made to order, guys, this one. So if you want to use this kind of material, you must pre-order. It takes 2 weeks for them to make it in the factory, which is in Valencia, here in Negros Oriental. So that's the roof. Let's have a look inside. So they managed to put all the steels they need, and we still have quite a few left over. So Brian gonna use it here, some of it, and also we are planning to put a bedroom out here. Just show you in a minute. So the shape of the roof is kind of like an umbrella. Very strong roof. So we're not gonna worry about typhoon, you know. This is the view we have from our house, and over here we're going to build our bedroom and also a balcony. And where I'm standing is the old balcony, and it's gonna be Sabi's balcony. When we purchased the property, we hardly have any plants around, and so in 2014 we started planting and just keep going, you know, and now we turn it into a rainforest. So we have a rainforest in front of the house, and also hoping at the back also of the property.